As architectural conservators, we have a philosophy to design conservation methods that are physically and aesthetically compatible with the original materials. Because this building was built so well, today, 100 years later, it's in relatively good condition. We want to really make repairs here that are long-lasting, that will blend in with the color and texture of the building, not just today, but over time. Wherever water could actually get in, we'll fill it, and we'll fill it with a like material. We decided that we would replace this little piece of missing face, but that we're not going to fill this joint. That tells the story of the history of the building. We're using that sort of decision-making process across the building, so there's this level of consistency throughout. In history, there are very few times when the right people come together. The patrons, the designers, the craftspeople, the artists, and that happened here.